Yeah. 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 Yeah, let's talk about the stock, not the kind that's on the block, but a place online where your creative dreams unlock. Wirestock the name, put your art in the game. No more hustling hard, it's a new kind of fame. Upload one time, let it shine on the scene. They send it out to partners, make your profile look keen. From Getty to Adobe, your photos take flight. So get on the wire and make your future bright.
Hey there, are you a photographer or digital artist and want to earn some passive income? I've been using Wirestock for the last 1.5 years and I want to share my experience with you. With over 3,700 images uploaded to my portfolio, I've made 165 sales and earned $86.5. One of the best things about Wirestock is their easy submission process and the different plans they offer. The basic plan. This is their free plan, which gives you a limited number of submissions to their own marketplace. It's a great way to try out the platform. The premium plan. This plan is best for photographers and videographers. It gives you 100 monthly submissions to top marketplaces like Adobe Stock, Shutterstock, and Getty Images. The premium AI plan. This is what I'm on. It's perfect for both traditional and AI artists. And it's what I use for my portfolio. It offers 200 monthly submissions to all major marketplaces, which means you can upload my content once and Wirestock takes care of distributing it for me. While it's not a get-rich-quick scheme, Wirestock is a great tool for anyone who wants to monetize their creative assets without the hassle of managing multiple accounts. Check out my Wirestock portfolio in the description and join Wirestock if you are interested. Want to learn more? Let me know in the comments. As always, thanks for watching and until next time. Bye!